All right, what's going on, everybody? Welcome for the first time or back to another DLJ Works video. And what I'm going to show you as I stretch my screen right now is how to remove a simple watermark to create a completely belonged image. Okay, so here goes a very simple watermark here. We have a watermark brand that's on the top of this cartoon image right here. And the final product is going to actually be this. Okay, to actually remove that watermark and to make it to where it just looks like a completely new image without having to, I guess, make any purchases on any subscriptions, or if you have any watermarks that you need to remove for whatever reason. I'm not going to encourage any other behavior, but if you have a reason to remove a watermark, you have the skills to do so. This video should help you out. So how do we go from this to this? Now I'm going to show you how right here, right now. So let me go ahead and I guess I'll zoom in. Let me go ahead and do that. Let's zoom in a little bit so y'all can kind of see. Okay, so let me move this about here to kind of center it some. All right, so what we need to do is we need to remove this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure my layer, the layer with the actual watermark, is highlighted. Then I'm going to grab my marquee tool. We're going to grab the square one. Okay, and then we're going to just simply highlight that. And what we're going to do next is I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to hit Command and X. Okay, boom, and that makes that completely disappear. Now, here's the next trick that we're going to actually do. We're going to zoom in a lot more. Going to zoom in. Okay, I'm going to hit the H. Okay, let me go up here some. All right. Hit the H again because I want to go up a little bit higher. Good, perfect. So we need to actually zoom in probably a lot more. Okay, and we want to make sure that we get to the point to where we can actually see the pixels, the square pixels for this particular image. Okay, we may actually even go a little bit deeper than that. So let's do that. Now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to grab our pencil tool. Okay, I'm going to go here. We're going to make sure that the pencil tool is here about at a 4. Okay. So we need to make sure that this is a 4 now. And what we need to do is we need to come over here to the colors. And we're going to make sure we use the eyedropper tool because we want to pull the exact color of what we're trying to do right now. So I'm going to actually click on this black. Okay. Make it, and it'll take you directly to the actual color code, the hex value that you actually need. So now that we got that, I'm going to hit OK. Now I'm going to come over here and we're going to just drop. We're going to continue to just drop. Okay. Now, as you can see here, my lining may be just a little bit off kilter here. Okay, but we're going to line this up as best as possible. I'm actually going to just line that up. Okay. So right now we're working with a vector image. Okay, and if there's any mistakes that you make, as you can see, this line is pretty thick right now. So what I'm going to do is, let's see here. All right, well, for the sake of this, in terms of removing it, if we have too thick of a line, what we can do is we can just color over that here by doing the same exact thing we did again. Trying to see if I can make that go back to transparent, but I'm probably going to have to use the eraser tool for that. But for now, I won't. I'll just go ahead and I'll grab that color there. Eyedropper on the existing color, hit OK. Then I'm going to just color over that. All right, perfect. Now we're going to go back to the color. Over here, we're going to grab some black. We could probably just corner it ourselves, but let's just be, just for the sake of being as detailed as possible, we'll color this all in black. Okay. All right, color all of that in black there. If you want to be consistent with the outlining, you can also do that as well. If I wanted to really be, you know, maybe I want to make those last 2 points right there. Okay. Make it beige or something like that. So we'll go over from that. All right. And then what I'm going to do here next is I'll go back over to color. And I'll just pull from this. Hit OK. Then that's gonna go over 2. So I have a little spot right there, but that's fine. We'll just go over that. All right, perfect. And if you don't like the color, if you're unsatisfied with it, maybe we'll just come back over here. We'll eyedropper here. Okay, hit OK, and maybe we'll color over this to, okay. All right, I think that's good enough for the demonstration for now. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to get the white. So we'll blend that in, hit OK. Not perfect for by any means, but if you're strapped for cash and there's a watermark that you need to get rid of, let's just go ahead and let's just say it like that. This is one way that you can actually do it by using the marquee tool to simply cut out that particular watermark. And you're going to have to do some detailed work to actually make it kind of blend back in with the image that you're removing the watermark on. For images, for whole pictures that have watermarks scattered across the image, I'm not sure how well this method is going to work with those types of images where you have something like a Shutterstock, photo or something like that, or Alamy, or if I'm pronouncing that right, if that method is going to fully work with that. But for something as simple as this, where it's just like a website or any sort of like link that's watermarked on an image, this method is going to be actually good for that if you're trying to just take care of the watermark all on your own and blend it back in. All right, that's going to be it for this video. Let me know what you guys think in the actual comments below. If you're looking to become a YouTuber and you want this to be as easy as possible, please check out the pinned comment below. No pressure, just, a little something to make things a lot easier for you if you're looking to make these types of tutorials yourself as well and have a YouTube channel. Thanks again for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one.